In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat c14a error. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this error essentially means the app is failing to handshake with servers, usually due to a network restriction or a minor software hang. So Snapchat security filters are sensitive to noisy IP addresses, so if your Wi-Fi is flagged, the server is going to block the login attempt. So what you could do is turn off your Wi-Fi on your device and try only using mobile data. Then try opening up Snapchat again and that should work. What you could also do is turn on airplane mode like so, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. This is going to force your phone to grab a fresh IP address from your carrier, and that should work as well. And also, if you're using any VPN, go ahead and turn that off as well, because Snapchat does block a lot of intense VPNs and proxy servers to prevent any spam. So make sure it's fully disconnected and then open Snapchat and you should be good to go. Now, the final thing I'd recommend is going over to your settings application, scrolling all the way down, and then you're going to see apps. Make sure Snapchat has permissions like your video, camera, your microphone, and things like that. Then go over to general, then go to iPhone storage. Now, from here, we want to go ahead and find Snapchat. Go ahead and click on it, then click offload app, which is going to clear the cache for Snapchat. Open it again, and you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.